So this is how much I got with the Mom Cozy V1 hospital grade wearable pump. Good morning. Kaligo ko lang. It's currently 6:44 a.m. and let's do my morning pump. Let's test this out. This is the Mom Cozy V1 hospital grade pump. So this is the first time I'll be using this. Again, this is the first time I'm using this. So, I notice ang silent niya. Ito yung tubig niya. So, nakasabit lang siya. So, I can still move around while still using a hospital-grade pump. Very convenient. So, I set the timer ng 15 minutes. I'm expecting less output dito sa left kasi dito nag-latch si baby kanina and more output dito sa right kasi hindi pa siya nag-latch dyan. Medyo heavy na yung right. So, feel ko mas maraming lamang milk yan. So, we'll see later. So, we're done with my 15 minutes. I'm done with my 15-minute morning pump. Expecting too much from here. Yan, onti lang siya. This is from the left boob. As expected, onti lang siya kasi nag-latch na si baby sa left boob ko kanina. So, as expected, this one is from my right boob. Mas marami siya. 122 ml or like 4 ounces. This is how much milk I got. I'm gonna transfer it dito sa bottle that comes with my Mom Cozy cooler. So these are my milk output. This is the one from last night. Last night, what I used is the one from Mom Cozy as well. This is the M6. Ito yung first pump ko from Mom Cozy. I got 8 ounces kagabi. So this is 240 ml. And it's still cold. Dito ko siya nilagay sa Mom Cozy ko na cooler. So this is what I use pala sa gabi. Kapag nagpapamp ko, parang hindi na ako bumababa sa baba. Kasi wala naman akong freezer here sa taas. Kasi I'm still 2 weeks, magto 3 weeks postpartum and hindi pa ako masyadong pinapayagan ng OB ko na umakyat baba sa stairs. So, nililimit ko talaga yung pag-akyat baba ko ng stairs. Kaya, this is really very handy to keep the milk good overnight. And then sa morning, pagbaba ko, tsaka ko siya ibabag. So, everything is safe in here.